Hey guys, thanks for joining me on the channel. This is going to be a short and sweet video. Recently I was at a live stream by Crafted by Ray, and he said he was going to start selling stuff on Etsy. One of the things he makes is a bread knife. Super cool, you should check it out. I'll link his channel in the description. But I told him he should try to make your own cardboard boxes with a laser. So today we're going to design his box for his bread knives, and I'll share that with you. We're going to design it in the software or the website. We're going to cut it out on the laser. I don't have one of the bread knives, and I'm going to show you how I box those up. So stick around. I'll provide free file for that box, Ray, so that you can get it and anybody else that wants it. So now let's switch over to the software and see what we can do. Come on, dude. So one place I get free cardboard, I don't pay for this, I get this free at my hardwood dealer. When I go in there, I'll usually buy sheet goods like 1/8 inch Baltic birch for my laser engraving. And to protect the wood, they'll give me a sheet or two of this cardboard. It comes in 4x8 sheets. They also have a trash dumpster where you can get a lot of free cardboard as well. So I don't pay for the cardboard. Otherwise, I don't know how expensive it would be. But if you look, a couple of resources if you want to buy boxes, you can buy them off Amazon or like Uline. But these boxes might cost you $2 to $3 each. So that really eats into your profit margin. If you can cut them and design them yourself on your laser, you just saved yourself a lot of money. So hope this was helpful for you. If you haven't followed Crafted by Ray, go check him out. He's a woodworker, not necessarily a laser engraver, but I made this video to help him out. And do me a favor, if you guys have a laser, put in the comments which laser you've got. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, while you're at it, please like and subscribe. Hype it up maybe? I don't know. Thanks y'all.